Hello friends. So, how to make a mind map? Let's start this journey. After this, you will make your own mind map in your computer or in your book. So, what is this mind map? Mind map is a simple drawing that helps you remember anything better. Let's see how it makes. First, we choose the title and study it deeply. And as you see, we write the title and the introduction in the middle. We write main points according to the subtitles that are located around the title. But you must remember to use less words. We never use ruler for make mind maps. But why? Looking a short note a book feels as boring. But our mind loves to watch mind maps because mind map is just like a memory cell. So we are drawing our mind map just like a memory cell. Why we use non-ruled arrows and simple pens to make mind maps? Simply, our mind doesn't like complex things. If you need to remember something longer, you can use this method. As you see, everything has a disadvantage and advantage. For advantage, this costs too much time and space. And also, some people don't like drawing. For advantages, we can remember anything better. It's easier than a short note. Congratulations! You have made your first mind map. If you learn anything from this video, please like and subscribe.